I just wanted to make a quick update about the sentiment that I see in the market right now, which is incredibly fearful and reminds me of how the sentiment was back in July when Bitcoin was around $30,000 and we had a huge pump. What's up guys, Dirk here from intelligentcryptocurrency.com. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below, click that notification bell, and if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It does help it get out to more people so that, all this content that I'm making for free reaches more people. And if you want to get on my email list so I can send you an update every time I upload a new video, first link in the description down below. Click on that, enter your name and email, you get on my email list, and I can notify you that way. Okay, so real quick, as I'm making this, Bitcoin is trading around $42,400. Now, there are just 2 days left of this month, and that's going to be important because that's going to give us the monthly candle close and the quarterly, so the 3-month candle close. And both of those are going to be important to give us an insight into what we could be expecting for Q4 of this year. And Q4 normally is a bullish year if you look back at the history, and there are people expecting huge parabolic blow of tops, but right now the sentiment is very fearful, and that is what I want to point out. There's a lot of people who are saying the bull run is over, the complacency rally is in, it was a bull trap when we went to 53k, and now we are going down to much lower levels. So what is always a good thing to look at is the fear and greed index, and as you can see right now, it is at extreme fear. It is at 24, whereas last month it was at extreme greed, or greed actually. It was pretty close to extreme greed. And this indicator does flip from fear to greed pretty quickly. You can see in a month we went from greed to extreme fear, but it is always a good indicator to see what happens. And you can see if you look at the past results over here, remember I made a video back in July when we were at extreme fear saying, hey, this might be a good time to buy, and that is when Bitcoin went from 30,000 to 53,000 in one go. You can see we were extremely fearful when we were at the $30,000 level. People were calling for 25k, 20k, 15k. The bull market was over and we had this huge run, and now the sentiment, after it went up to being greedy again, it comes all the way back down, and we are at extreme fear once again, where even at this $42,000 level, people are calling for 30,000, sub 30,000, maybe even 20,000 and below, once again saying the bull market is over. We had a complacency rally, we had a bull trap, and this is done, and we are not going to go higher. And this is, in my opinion, a really good sign. It's never a guarantee, of course, but usually when the retail investors and the sentiment and everyone is incredibly bearish, that is a time when we are close to or nearing a reversal in trend, because most of the time when the retail investors are all thinking in one direction, usually the opposite happens. That's just how it goes. Especially if you look on Twitter, my timeline is incredibly bearish. Everyone's calling for going lower. The candles don't look good, the charts don't look good, the bull run is over. So the sentiment on social media combined with this sentiment, all of that is looking bullish in my opinion. So of course this is not a guarantee, but it is a good indicator in my opinion that Q4 could indeed be very bullish and green, just like it was in 2017 and in 2013, the 4th year of a 4-year cycle. Two other things that we potentially have that could help ignite this bull run, or this continuation of the bull run, is potentially an ETF that can be approved in October. These headlines and these seeds have been planted for the last couple of weeks already. You can see on Yahoo Finance, on Bloomberg, where they're saying, there is a likelihood that a Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. Now, this has been said since 2017 already. We're talking about ETF approval. Now we're in 2021, but there have been a ton of filings for Bitcoin ETFs. There's been a lot of progress made in the space compared to 4 years ago. It's literally night and day difference. Institutions are in, billionaires, funds, VCs. So it is very possible that we might see something like this happen. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. But if it does, that could be a perfect catalyst, if that happens in October, right on track with a bullish Q4 for a continuation of the bull run and perhaps a parabolic blow off top. So that is one of the things. And the second thing is also that there is talks about another budget bill for $3.5 trillion. So if this gets passed, if this gets approved, and another $3.5 trillion gets injected into the economy, what do you think that is going to do for the stock markets and for Bitcoin and for the crypto markets? Right? Again, it's not a guarantee, but this is being talked about, and seeing how things have gone over the last few years, every time something is happening, more and more stimulus gets created, more budgets get passed, more trillions of dollars get injected into the economy. So is this time really going to be different, and are they going to stop doing this? In my opinion, unlikely. So we have the perfect setup for indeed a bullish Q4 and a continuation of the bull run. We have a very negative and bearish sentiment, which is great because most people are expecting lower, so that is perfect for it to go higher, just like it did when everyone was incredibly fearful at around $30,000 Bitcoin. Then we have Q4, which is traditionally very bullish, especially in the fourth year of the 4-year crypto cycle. And then we have a potential ETF approval in October, and we have a potential $3.5 trillion, which might get injected into the economy. So all those things together do look like there is a decent fundamental reason why we could go a lot higher in Q4. Now, there are still 2 days left of how the monthly and quarterly candle is going to close, so that is going to be more telling to what lies ahead. Hopefully the price goes higher and we get a good close above 42,000. If it would go to 44, 45, maybe 47,000, it's not impossible. We don't know, but we'll see in 2 days from now. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because I will do that update on the 1st, so in 2 days from now, and that'll give us some more insights too. So overall, incredibly fearful sentiment. I like that. That is what I want to see before heading into Q4, because in my opinion, that really does increase the chance that we do go a lot higher. If everyone was super bullish on Q4 and nobody was scared and we were still at greed levels, then I would be a lot more concerned. So guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Smash the like button if you like this video, if you think we're going higher. As always, you're welcome to leave a comment. What do you think? Are we going higher or not in Q4? What is your sentiment? Let us know down below. And just a final reminder, I will be closing the doors to my Intelligent Cryptocurrency membership on October 15th. So there's just over 2 weeks left. If you still want to become a member, if you want to join us inside the community, if you want to get access to my newsletters, my updates, my courses, tutorials, our private Discord chat group, our members forums, all of that is still available right now. But after I close the doors, it won't be any longer, and I will not reopen until sometime middle of 2022 or maybe even late 2022. So if you have been thinking about joining us, the time is running out. It's a second link in the description down below. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. You can sign up, you can get access to everything, and if it's not for you, you can get a full refund. But this is only possible until October 15th. After the doors close, you will no longer be able to join. So hopefully, come and sign up, hang out with us in the forums, in the Discord, navigate the end of this bull run, and hopefully we get that huge blow off top. And if not, thank you for watching. I wish you an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.